Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Leaning over to check your trailer tires, only to find uneven wear? You're not alone. Nearly 40% of trailer owners skip regular tire rotations, leading to premature replacements and unsafe towing conditions. Rotating your trailer tires is simple but often overlooked. It spreads out wear evenly, so they last longer and grip the road better. Done right, rotations save money, improve fuel efficiency, and reduce blowout risks. Whether you tow occasionally or daily, a quick tire swap keeps your trailer rolling smoothly. Let's break it down step by step. Why rotating trailer tires is essential. Not rotating trailer tires is like eating the same slice of pizza every time. Eventually, one side wears out faster than the rest. Trailer tires face unique stress. Uneven weight distribution, constant highway speeds, and varied road conditions. Without rotation, some tires age prematurely while others barely break a sweat. The result? Uneven tread wear, compromised traction, and a higher risk of blowouts. Let's break down why rotation isn't just a suggestion. It's key to keeping your trailer stable, efficient, and safe. The impact of weight distribution. Trailers rarely carry weight perfectly evenly. A loaded toolbox on one side, a lopsided cargo stack, or even the natural slant of the road all force certain tires to work harder. Here's what happens. Inner versus outer wear. Tires under more weight develop faster wear on the inner or outer edges, depending on axle alignment and load. Center tread sacrifice. Overloaded tires flatten slightly, causing the center tread to wear down prematurely. Heat buildup. Uneven pressure creates hot spots, weakening the tire's structure over time. Rotation redistributes these stresses so no single tire takes the brunt. Imagine rotating seats in a carpool. Everyone shares the worst spot equally, and no one burns out. Types of trailer axle configurations. The way your trailer axles are set up changes how you should rotate tires. Here's how different configurations affect wear patterns. Single axle. Simple but unforgiving. The same two tires bear all the weight, so rotating them side to side, swapping left and right, evens out road camber and load imbalances. Tandem axle, dual wheels. Four tires share the load, but the front axle often wears faster due to scrubbing during turns. A crisscross rotation, moving front tires to the opposite rear positions, balances the wear. Triple axle. Common in heavy haulers. The middle axle typically wears fastest, so rotating tires in a structured, forward cross pattern prevents one set from deteriorating faster. Neglecting rotation in multi-axle setups can lead to cupping, scalloped tread wear, or rapid shoulder wear on specific tires. Ever seen a trailer wobble at speed? That's often unbalanced wear in action. Real-world proof? Think of the boat owner who replaced 2 tires every season, until realizing rotation could have stretched all 4 to 3 seasons. Or the horse trailer that blew a tire mid-trip because the unrotated front axle's tread had worn bald. Rotation isn't just maintenance. It's insurance against expensive and dangerous surprises. Tools and equipment needed for rotating trailer tires. A smooth tire rotation starts with the right tools. Skimp on quality, and you risk uneven lifts, loose lug nuts, or worse. Equipment failure under load. Here's what you'll need to get the job done safely and efficiently. Choosing the right jack stands. Jack stands are your trailer's backup dancers. They keep everything steady while you work. But not all stands are created equal. A flimsy pair could buckle under weight, so prioritize durability and accurate weight ratings. First, calculate your trailer's axle weight, found in the manual or on the axle stamp. Divide this number by 2 to get the minimum capacity each stand must handle. For example, axle weight. 6,000 pounds right pointing arrow each stand must support at least 3,000 pounds. Look for these features. Steel construction. Avoid aluminum for heavy trailers. Steel offers better stability. Locking pins are safety clips. Prevents accidental collapse. Wide bases. Distribute weight evenly on uneven ground. Pro tip. Place stands under the axle, not the frame, to avoid stress points. And always use them in pairs. Never rely on just one. The role of a torque wrench. A torque wrench isn't optional. Over-tightened lug nuts can warp brake drums, while loose ones lead to wheel detachment. Trailers need precise torque, typically between 90,120 feet lbs. Check your manual. Here's why it matters. Under-torqued. Wheel studs stretch over time, causing nuts to loosen mid-drive. Over-torqued. Studs snap or brake rotors warp, creating dangerous vibration. Use a click-type torque wrench for reliability. Skip the beam-style versions. They're harder to read accurately. Tighten lug nuts in a star pattern to distribute pressure evenly, and always recheck torque after 50 miles of driving. Gear up safely. Gloves. Protects hands from sharp edges and hot rims. Wheel chocks. Stops the trailer from rolling while lifted. Impact driver, optional. Speeds up lug nut removal but never use it for tightening. Only hand torque counts. With the right tools, rotating tires becomes a quick, confidence-boosting task. No guesswork, no shortcuts. Just solid results. That's it for part 1. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.